Hello children, welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is measurement of length. Okay, so children, you have already come across the concept of length in your previous class. Yes or no? Yes. So we measure lengths of various objects such as pipe, rope, cloth, heights of persons, vertical objects like a pole, a tower, a mountain. We also find distance between two places. So, the concept of measurement of lengths is of great use, isn't it? Yes. So, length of an object tells us how long an object is. So have you any idea how in the olden days people used to measure? In olden days, people used to measure smaller lengths in terms of digit or finger width, bigger lengths in terms of handspan, cubit or arm length, and distances in terms of steps or paces. So children, do you think they were using the right thing to measure? No. But why? Let us discuss on that. You can see here some pictures are given in your book. So what do you mean by hand span? This type of measuring things using your hand is known as hand span. So when you measure using your 4 fingers, this is known as the finger width. When you use your hand from elbow to the fingertip to measure something, it is known as cubit. When you measure through the distances of your 2 feet while taking steps, that is known as pace. And when you measure using your foot, that is known as foot distance, and this is digit. Okay, but this type of measurements were not uniform or accurate, as the arm length or step length or this kind of measurements differed from person to person. Suppose you are measuring the length of a table in your home using your hand span. Okay, so when you measure using the hand span, you count how many hand spans your tabletop can have and ask any elder member of your family to measure the same length. So you will see that the number of hand spans that you found out is more than any elder person who found out the same length. Why? Because your hand is small and their hand is big. That is why these kind of measurements were not uniform or accurate. So standard units were invented to measure length. So what is the standard unit of measuring length? The standard unit of measuring length is meter. So meter is the standard unit of measuring length. We also have other measuring units. What are they? They are centimeter and kilometer. Centimeter is the smaller unit and kilometer is the bigger unit. Okay. So children, centimeter is the smaller unit of length and kilometer is the bigger unit of length. Centimeter is used to find the length of line segments, length of pencil, length of and breadth of paper, etc. Okay, and it is denoted by cm. The short form of centimeter is cm, and kilometer is used to measure larger lengths such as distance between two cities as measured in kilometers, and it is denoted by km, or the short form of kilometer is km. The short form for meter is m, the short form for centimeter is cm, and the short form for kilometer is km. You can see here a pencil is measured. So how is the pencil measured? The pencil is kept alongside the scale here. One end of the pencil or the object is at 0 mark of the ruler as shown. Okay, and the other end you can see it is near 4. Okay, that means the length of the pencil is 4 centimeter. So now let us discuss the relation between units of length. Okay, so what is the relation between the units of length? So now we have known about 3 units of length, that is meter, centimeter and kilometer. Meter is the standard one, centimeter is the used to measure smaller objects, that is the smaller unit, and kilometer is the bigger unit. Okay, so we will discuss now what is the relation and how conversion of meters into centimeters and vice versa is done. So the relation between units of length is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, now we will know how to convert meters into centimeters and kilometer into meters. So how we will convert meter into centimeter? Okay, we need to follow some rules while converting. So let us take an example and understand. Suppose you are asked to convert 5 meter into centimeter. Okay, then what you will do? The rule to convert into centimeter is we just have to multiply 100. Okay, why we have to multiply 100 with the number of meters? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we need to multiply 100 with this 5 meter to convert it into centimeter. So 5 meter is equal to 5 into 100 centimeter. Okay, so 5 into 100 is equal to 500. So 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. In this way you have to convert meter into centimeter. Suppose you are asked to convert 2 meter 83 centimeter into centimeter. Then what you will do? Here you can see there are 2 parts in the question. One part is in meter and the other part is in centimeter, and we are asked to convert into centimeter. So we don't have to convert this part of the question into centimeter. Why? Because it is already in centimeter. So we just have to convert this part of the question. We just have to convert this part of the question to centimeter. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 100 with 2. That means 2 into 100 centimeter plus 83 centimeter. We just have to add 83 centimeter with it because it is already in centimeter. So now 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeter and plus 83 centimeter. That is equal to 283 centimeter. Okay. Now let us discuss conversion of kilometers into meters. Okay, so let me take an example. Suppose you are asked to convert 6 kilometer in meters. Then what you have to do? We all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 1000 with 6 in order to convert this in meters. Okay, so what we have to write? We have to write in this way: 6 into 1000. Okay, 6 into 1000 meter. So 6 into 1000 is equal to 6000 meter. That means 6 kilometer is equal to 6000 meter. Suppose you are asked to convert 3 kilometer 330 meter into meter. Then what you will do? Here also you can see the same thing. Here the question has 2 parts. This part is in meter and this part is in kilometer. So we have to convert only this part in meters and add this part. So we have to write it this way. First we have to multiply 1000 with 3. 3 into 1000 meter plus 330 330 meter. Okay, so 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000 meter plus 330 meter. So which is equal to again 3330 meter. So children, in this way you have to solve the questions in the exercise.